Here's my latest project. Started from a trailer off a classified ad. Then it took some welding and some sandblasting and some powder coating to get it to this stage. It features a new spare tire holder with a new spare tire and a dirty gear bag on the front. Levelers all the way around. New tires, bearings, races, wheels. It's got gearboxes that have been modified to open in this direction, to open down like this versus how you usually see gearboxes. It's sporting a couple tubes here for extra pulls, for the awning pulls. I got a 230270 awning, Peregrine awning on the other side. Some of the pictures you'll see below have the 230 Walkabout 72 on it. I swapped it out for this Armadillo A3. So it's got that. I welded on a receiver so I could carry bikes if that was an option. This trailer's also, the bed of it is 4x8, so I can throw my four-wheeler in there or a couple bikes, pedal bikes or motorbikes. And I redecked it. I just went with pressure treated decking on it. Then this box here on this side, I also mounted it for gear. Underneath I've got my solar water, mainly just water now, as it's kind of a little low for solar to get too hot, but at least it'll give us a little bit of water. Here's the left-hand box. I had to change this just a little bit. I had to take out the struts that came with it and put in some Amsteel rope to hold the lid out level. But in here I store a little folding table as well as a roll-up table, a couple chairs, and then over here we have a molly panel with stakes and tools, an axe, a hammer, the stakeout ropes, and then some additional strapping, and then this is part of my 270 awning. So the right side has a kitchen. There's the kitchen. Built my own little kitchen box out of some scrap wood to try it out. And I got a stove and a grill, some cooking containers, some lights for the kitchen area, bags, extra fuel, matching pans, as well as plates and cups and bowls, utensils, spices, cleaning, cooking utensils, my pot. I've got the kitchen sink, paper towel holder that's magnetic that just pulls off the bar there and stores away. I've got my running water. I made this solar shower on another video, you can check that out. It uses the same port for both outcoming water as well as incoming water, just with this adapter. And then to pressurize it, I just pressurize that up. 20 pounds is plenty to do that. So that's the little kitchen setup. So there you have it. The idea came together, and there's our little trailer. And she's ready to go at almost a moment's notice with everything you need. Throw in some food and a few toys, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.